guys, it's Carlos. Today we got a condom unboxing. It's not mine. It's my cousin's, but he let me unbox it for him. Right there it says Condom USA. And yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing this. It's a Kaizen, just a regular blue, no special wood or anything. So I'm gonna unbox this. Take the tape off. The sides. Right there. We got the sides. Okay. Here, just gonna throw the tape away. Okay, so we got it open now. Okay. Oh god. This doesn't want to stay up. Okay then. Okay, so here it is. So we got some Condom USA stickers. Red on white, a white on red, a red on white, and a white on red. There's 4. And this is how it looks inside the box. There you can see the Kaizen. Here's the little paper things. And here is the Kaizen, guys. Condom USA. In the back here it says Kaizen. Yeah, it has some waves and stuff. And yeah, it says Konshin under 9. So let's put this box aside. Let's open this. Got it. There it says Condom USA. Okay. Okay, here's the other box. And now we stuck with this plastic thing. Okay. Here it is, guys. Okay. So here it is. So yeah, pretty good spike and everything. The Condom USA sign and the Kaizen symbol. I tried to do bird on this real quick. Yeah, that's pretty good actually. Yeah, that's all. And yeah, guys, I hope you like this condom unboxing. This is not mine, it's my cousin Leonardo España. And yeah, he's nice enough to let me unbox this. And peace, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Leave a like, comment, don't forget to subscribe, guys. And stay tuned for this video, October 23rd. And yeah, peace. Like, comment, don't forget to subscribe.